How to make a girl voice with Clownfish. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to make a girl voice with Clownfish. So you can use it on your Discord, TikTok, or anywhere you would like to. So first off, what you want to do is head over to Google and here search for Clownfish. Scroll down, click on Clownfish the voice changer. On the top here, go to download. You can download it for whatever version suits you. I'll go with this. Save. And it's going to download an installation file for you. Open it. Next, next, next. And install. Click on next. And finish. You can now see the Clownfish shortcut on your desktop. Open it. It's going to get added to your taskbar. Go here, right click on Clownfish, click on Set Voice Changer. To make a girl voice, click on Female Pitch.
And now I should be sounding like a girl.
You can also adjust the pitch of your voice from here. You can silence it as well. You can also use other pitches as well, such as male pitch, helium pitch, baby pitch, clone, and alien as well. You can also change your microphone settings from here. You can boost your voice. You can also change the sensitivity of your voice. You can change the bass as well and the treble. So this is it for today. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.